Here's your video on second sample question right here. We're going to be working on this hanger example right here. Here is your balanced hanger. For balanced hanger looking like this right here, there are a total of 2 ways in order for us to solve this. Let's do strategy number 1 at this time. So at this time, we're working with strategy number 1. You do not have to do both strategies. However, I just want to show you both strategies so that you can choose which one that is easier for you. All right, I notice that this is a balanced hanger. Let me remind you, balanced hanger means on both sides, left and the right, the weight is the same. So if I were to drop this right here, they're no longer the same weight, because if one side gets lighter, then they're no longer equal. And therefore, if we're going to subtract, or if we're going to take away something on one side, I must do it to the other side as well. So first, since I am taking away a total of 3 groups of 3, that's 3 groups of 3 that's equal to a total of 9, I noticed that I took away 9 from the right side. That tells me that I have to take away 9 from this side as well. That results me to having this as a total of 30 now, because 39 minus 9, I get a 30. In a simplified version of this hanger diagram, to clean this up of what we had already dropped, now I am just left with 30 on the left side. And because I no longer have the square boxes here, I only have the 3 x's. Do notice that each circles with the same variable inside will need to have the same exact value. All right, now I have 3 x's and I have 30 on the left side. This needs to be split into 3 x's. The 30 needs to be split into equally into 3 boxes, and therefore that means 30 needs to be split equally, meaning divided by 3. And now I find that each x will be a 10. So I can say that x equals to 10. All right, let's go ahead and use strategy number 2. I notice that on my right side of my hanger, I can group these into 3 boxes right here, or 3 groups. In each group, we have the same things inside. Each group, we have an x, we have a 3. We have the same thing inside each group. I notice I can make exactly 3 groups. What I will do first is that since I grouped, or I split the left side into 3, I will do the same on the left side. So I am going to split the 39 into 3 groups. So it's no longer 39, but really 3 13s can make a total of 39. How I did that was 39, and which was previously here, that was divided by 3 to be split equally into each group. In a simplified version, let me show you how that would look like. In a simplified version, we just find that 13 right here, one group of 13, will equal to 1x and a 3. Since this right here is a zoomed version of this, we are zooming this in with just the one group right here. Next thing we will do, we will drop the 3. no longer balanced because I only took away from one side. I have to do it to the other. This becomes a 10. 13 minus 3 is a 10. That means x will be a 10. I found that x equals to a 10 by using my balanced hanger